Okay, so we've now got the pistons on, which I'll show you in a second. I thought I'd show you what I do to the block. I grease the bores. You don't want to be going in dry, lads. Got to be wetter the better. I normally use two fingers like this, Mr. Higgs, or Higgsy, and just smear it round, but get onto this lip here, because that is what will feed the rings in. Lots of grease there. Then we'll get the block back on. And we'll see. As you can see, they're all in. I've double checked that the thrust washers are in place, which they are. All the circlips are facing up, the tangs are facing up. All the arrows are pointing forwards. We've got left, left and a right. So all we've got to do now is get the block on, which is a nightmare. But hopefully, the gods of good fortune will shine on us. Okay, that's the first one in. Without any hassle, take the circlips. No, leave them on. Okay, this is the next one. Just be aware of where all the pistons are. And like before, be sure that you're going down square. And you can feel that the rings are going where they're supposed to be going. That's the first two tyre wraps dropped off. Cut them out. And I'm just going to try and snip these. can't get in to do it. Okay, we're getting down now, so I'm just checking that these O-rings are in place, which they are. And just get a little pair of snips. I did have some really nice long nose snips, but I think I lent them somebody. They went missing. So whoever's got my long nose snips, can I have them back, please? Just flick that down. There's another one out. And that's another one out. So we've just got two at this end now. Try and get those down. That's that down. Snip them out this side. It's another one. And another one. Quick double check again that they're all in place, because if you miss those out or they don't sit in square, it's going to leak, and then that's it. Beautiful. All going up and down. Quick visual check. Up the exhaust holes. And that is your block on in what, 3 or 4 minutes? Very, very simple. The easy way, the idiot's way. So we'll be getting the head on in 2 minutes. I'll come back to you in a minute.